So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hasta Education. So in this video I am going to discuss about the different type of temperature scales, alright, and the relation between them, alright. So let's start it. So here the different type of temperature scales, okay. So these are Celsius and it is denoted by degree centigrade C, okay, that means it is the centigrade, or it is the Fahrenheit, it is denoted by degree F, and this one is the Kelvin, it is denoted by K only, okay, and then it is the Reaumur, it is denoted by degree R, and then it is the Rankine, okay, and it is denoted by degree Ra, alright. So here it is the LFP, okay, that means the lower fixed point, okay, it is the lower fixed point. So this is generally taken as freezing point, okay, this is generally taken as the freezing point, okay, and this is the UFP, that means upper fixed point, okay, it is the upper fixed point, alright. And generally it is taken to be boiling point, alright. This is taken as the freezing point or melting point, and this is taken to be boiling point, okay. So here it is the melting point in different scales. In Celsius scale, the melting point of water is 0 degree centigrade. In Fahrenheit scale, the melting point is 32 degree Fahrenheit. In Kelvin scale, it is the 273 Kelvin, and a Reaumur scale, it is 0 degree Reaumur, and in the Rankine scale, it is 491 Rankine, okay. And similarly, it is the upper fixed point or UFP, that means it is the boiling point, and different scales it is given, okay. In Celsius scale it is 100 degree centigrade, in Fahrenheit it is 212 degree Fahrenheit, okay, and in Kelvin scale it is 373 Kelvin, and in other scale it is given like this, okay. And it is the absolute zero temperature, okay. Absolute zero temperature means it is the minimum temperature, okay. It is the minimum temperature which can be measured by these scales, okay. This is the absolute zero temperature, this is known as, okay. So in Celsius scale, the absolute zero temperature is minus 273 degrees centigrade, okay. That means we can measure minimum minus 273 degrees centigrade temperature, okay. In Fahrenheit scale it is minus 459 degrees Fahrenheit. In Kelvin scale it is 0 Kelvin, okay. So that means we cannot measure the temperature below 0 Kelvin, okay. That means negative Kelvin temperature is not possible, okay. We can say in other words that in Kelvin scale the absolute zero temperature is 0 Kelvin, that means it is the minimum temperature, okay. It is the minimum temperature which can be measured by the help of Kelvin scale, okay. So in Kelvin scale negative temperature is not possible, okay. This is very important point. In Kelvin scale negative temperature is not possible, okay. So here is the number of division, okay. So a number of division is basically it is the upper fixed point minus lower fixed point, okay. It will give you the number of division in particular scale, okay. So it is the upper fixed point is 100 degree and the lower fixed point is 0 degree for Celsius scale. So the number of division will be 100 minus 0, it will be 100, okay. Similarly we can determine the number of division in different scales, okay. So what we have to do, we have to simply find out the value of UFP minus LFP, okay. That means upper fixed point minus lower fixed point, okay. That will give you the number of division, okay. Or you can say that number of division equals to boiling point minus melting point, okay. And it is the name of the scientist who have discovered these scales. A Celsius scale is discovered by the Andreas Celsius in 1742. It is a Swedish scientist, okay. Fahrenheit scale is discovered by the scientist Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. He is a German scientist, okay, and he found it in 1724, okay. And here this is the name of different scientists, okay. So let's see the relationship among the different scales. Okay, so for the relationship we have to keep one thing in our mind, that in any type of temperature scale, the thermometer reading minus lower fixed point upon upper fixed point minus lower fixed point, this is a fixed quantity. Okay, for any type of scale this is always a constant. Okay, that is thermometer reading minus lower fixed point divided by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. Okay, this quantity remains fixed for all type of temperature scales. Okay, so keeping this in mind, if we apply this to different type of temperature scales, then I will get C minus 0 upon 100 minus 0 equals to F minus 32 by 212 minus 32. Okay, and we will get a relation like this. After solving we will get final result to be this. All right, so this is the very useful, okay, relationship among different type of temperature scale. Okay, so this is the C upon 5 equals to F minus 32 by 9 equals to K minus 273 by 5 equals to R by 4 equal to RA minus 491 by 9. Okay, so this is the relationship among the different temperature scales. Okay, by the help of this formula or this relationship we can convert a particular temperature from one scale to another scale. Okay, so it is the a picture. Okay, and the different scales. Okay, this is Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, Riemann and Rankine. Okay, and this is the absolute zero. This level is the absolute zero level. Absolute zero, that means it is the minimum temperature which can be measured. Okay, by these scales. Okay, so absolute zero for Rankine scale is 0 degree. For Riemann it is minus 212 18.52 degree. Okay, for Kelvin scale it is 0 Kelvin. For Fahrenheit scale it is minus 459.67. Okay, for Celsius scale it is the minus 273.15 degree centigrade. Okay, so absolute 0 degree temperature means it is the minimum. Okay, minimum temperature which can be measured by the help of different scales. Okay, and it is the level for the freezing point of water level. Okay, so these are the value of freezing point in different scale. Okay, here it is the level for room temperature, it is the level for human body temperature, and it is the level for boiling point of water. Okay, and this is also the upper fixed point. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video.